Want to make an outro like this under 5 minutes on an iPhone or a normal phone? Watch the rest of the video to see how to do it. How to make an outro using these two apps, PixArt and Videoleap. So, first of all, you want to go on PixArt and you want to discard anything if you have the app, you want to discard everything you have. So just press don't save and everything. So then you're going to search up Fortnite background. So just going to scroll down until you see one you like. So I think I'm going to go for this. Then you want to go to text. You want to press I, just I, capital I. Then you want to shape it over here. And you want to like drag it out and you want to twist it like that. And then a bit more like that. Or a bit longer like that, which I'm going to do. Then what you want to do, you want to go to opacity and you want to put that down to about, I say 80 is nice. You want to apply, as you can see then, half of the screen. You want to press sticker. You want to search up Fortnite and then you just want to find any skin you like, any skin. I'm going to go for the Chaos Agent as it is my favourite skin in the game. So now you want to like stretch it to like away like it's nice. So like that, I like. So now all you're gonna do is you're just gonna press apply. You're gonna press next. You're gonna press save. You're gonna press download photo. So now you have that photo in your album. You wanna go to Videoleap. So we're gonna just discard this project. This is an old one I've been doing. So yeah, we're just gonna delete this, export, and save. So yeah, so you're just gonna get the photo of what you like. So I'm gonna go like this. Then you wanna extend this to, I would say, your favorite. So I'm gonna go about 15 seconds, I think is a good amount for about an outro. So then what you want to do, you want to go back to text and you want to like write like subscribe. That's what I normally do. I normally put subscribe here. And then I also, with the subscribe, I always put like a thumb after it. Just want to make sure, even though you can't really see it right now, you've got to put it just somewhere that you think's good. So like that. Then you've got to do another text. So you've got to edit it again and like just write like and turn on, no, just like the video. That's what I'm going to go for. And then also I'm going to put a thumb after that. So now what you want to do, you want to go on to over on the text, you want to go to stroke, you want to press width, and you want to go like that. So as you can see now, it goes like the video, and then you want to go the same again, just over to stroke, and you go width, and you go right over to the top. So you can see like subscribe and like the video. Then you want to click on the letters again, you want to click animation, overall, and you want to go to wiggle. I think wiggle's the best one right now. You could choose other ones, but I think that wiggle's the best. Then you go on the other one, you want to click animation, you want to press overall, you press wiggle, and you want to put that on 2 seconds again. Just about that. So this is what it just looks like so far. There's no sound yet, which we're going to add now. So what you want to do, you want to press audio. So then you want to press music, you want to press artists, you want to press files, and you want to choose a song that you have or one that you want to do. So I'm going to just choose a song that I like. So this is a song that I choose. You can use different songs, which I'm going to do now. So I'm just going to delete this song for you. Like this is another song here. So I'm going to go back on this one. The song is Go Crazy if you're wondering which one it is. So this is the sound. Then what you want to do, you want to go to the sound and you just want to put it right on the thing where it ends, so like that. And you want to click on that, you want to press fade and you want to press fade out. I would say about 128 seconds is good. So now, this is what it looks like now. So that's my outro right now. You can add anything you want. So what I'm going to go on now, I am going to just delete this. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to press, as you can see here, I'm going to press stickers, and you're going to search up YouTube. And I'm going to go for this one. Just subscribe. Can't really see it, so I'm not going to use that one. So I'm just going to keep it like this. Then you press export. You want to move it to 180p. You want to press save. Once it's exported, you want to go to camera roll, and it should be there. Then what I use is the app iMovie as well. So you want to go on movie, pretend now just a random clip. I'll just use this for example. Just press create movie, and then you go like this. You press add, press video, press recently added, and then you press that. You press add, and then you've got your outro. So look, so now this is what it looked like. This is for my TikTok. And you go like this. That's the outro. So as you can see there, guys, I've showed you how to make an easy outro in about 5 minutes on iPhone, which is very helpful for your videos and can get you more viewers. So that's going to be the end of my video today, guys. Sorry it's a short one.